Is your enterprise weighed down by high Power BI Premium costs? Fortune 500 companies, like yours, are dealing with bloated costs, mismanaged datasets, and underperforming capacities. Orphaned reports, capacity bottlenecks, and data refresh issues sound familiar? Introducing the Office Solution Premium Capacity Monitoring Tool. Cut costs by 25% and improve performance by 30%. Our tool provides everything you need to monitor and optimize Power BI Premium, with dedicated dashboards for every critical area. Capacity Key KPIs. Track essential metrics to understand your capacity usage at a glance. Workspace access. Control workspace permissions, ensuring secure and efficient team access. Dataset details. Quickly spot and clean up unused datasets to reduce storage costs. Power BI Usage Report. Analyze report usage patterns to prioritize valuable resources. Refresh information. Monitor refresh activities to prevent costly delays and keep data current. Capacity details. Dive into capacity insights for smoother, more efficient operations. Gateways. Ensure reliable data connections with easy gateway performance tracking. With centralized monitoring, you can optimize resources, cut costs, and manage everything from one simple, powerful tool. Ready to reduce costs and supercharge your performance? Visit innovationalofficesolution.com or find us on Microsoft AppSource.